Pastel de Nata. Ingredients for 12 tarts. Let's make delicious and crispy baskets of puff pastry with baked custard. Step 1. Prepare the custard. Pour 2/4 of the milk into a saucepan. Add zest of half a lemon. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 30 grams of flour to the remaining milk. Heat the milk with spices until boiling. Strain the boiled mixture. Combine both mixtures. Cook the cream until thickened, stirring constantly. Combine sugar 150 grams and water 100 grams. Boil for 5 minutes. Pour the hot milk mixture into another bowl. Add hot syrup to the thick milk mixture, stirring at the same time. Leave until completely cooled. Step 2. Form the puff pastry baskets and baking. We will need puff pastry 400 grams. Basic puff pastry recipe you can find at the link in the description under the video. Roll the dough into a rectangle 3-5 mm thick. Roll the dough into a roll. Cover and put in the freezer for 15 minutes. Divide into 12 pieces. Place the pieces in a muffin pan. Flatten the pieces and form baskets. 4 yolks to the cream and mix. Fill the basket without reaching the edges 5-7 millimeters. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees of Celsius for about 20 minutes. Take out tarts while still hot to keep the baskets crispy. Oh, they are so beautiful and fragrant. A crispy puff pastry basket and a delicious baked custard. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you and happy culinary masterpieces!